What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today is a very exciting video. It was also highly requested, so my locks are overdue for a retwist. I decided why not film a video using our natural shampoo and apple cider vinegar conditioner. I'm also going to be using our other products in my hair to maintain it, to retwist it, to moisturize it. Stay tuned if you want to see before and after on how my hair will look after using Danielle By Nature natural hair products. Let's get straight into it.
Hey there, so I'm going to talk a little bit throughout this whole video and let you all know what I'm doing. So right now I'm just making sure my locks are nice and wet before I apply Danielle By Nature natural shampoo. Since my locks are nice and wet, I'm gonna apply the shampoo to my locks and to my scalp. I want you all to count how many times I pulled out the shampoo bottle, because I'm honestly surprised that I did not finish the whole shampoo bottle because I used so much of it. But just comment below and count how many times I used it. Those of you that have been watching my YouTube channel for a very long time, you all know that I struggle washing my locks till this day. So please bear with me. It didn't really go as planned, but I got the job done, and that's all that matters, right? The shampoo will help replenish your hair, and it will also moisturize it with natural oils. Right now I'm gonna use the apple cider vinegar conditioner. So what it does is it helps remove buildup dirt that's trapped inside of your roots or on your locks or on your natural hair. It also has essential oils, which helps to strengthen your hair and improve the health of your scalp. Before rinsing my hair fully, I wanted to make sure my locks were extra clean. So as you can see, I went back and added a little bit more shampoo to my locks before the final rinse. Now that the conditioner and shampoo is all rinsed out of my locks, I'm gonna go and blow dry my hair a little bit. I can't just sit around and wait for my locks to air dry because that will take days. I am going to leave my locks a little bit damp because I'm going to braid my hair after so that my locks are nice and curly. Now I'm going to use Danielle By Nature Leave-In Aroma Mist Spray. I'm going to spray this all over my locks and onto my roots. So what this does is it helps to hydrate and it deeply moisturizes your dry hair. Now I'm just going to rub it into my locks. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up, comment below, also share the video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, be on the lookout because part 2 is coming out very soon. Stay tuned.